Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is locked. Let's unlock this phone with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to connect your phone to PC. Then after that you guys have to force restart your phone and then take it into the recovery menu, as these Samsungs simply won't turn off with the power key. So we have to press and hold the power and volume down keys. Now as soon as the phone restarts, release the volume down key and quickly hold on to the volume up key while keep holding on to the power key also. Then when finally the Samsung logo appears, you guys have to release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until it gets into the recovery menu. Here you guys can see now inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset. This will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see here, the data wipe has been completed. Now after that, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.